Once, design was a linear journey: idea, sketch, test, repeat. But today, it's evolving. Artificial intelligence is no longer a tool, it's becoming a collaborator. In platforms like Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience, AI is deeply integrated into the design process. It analyzes thousands of design permutations in seconds, optimizing not only shape, but function and sustainability. Imagine you're designing a lightweight drone frame. Instead of manually tweaking shapes, AI within 3D Experience suggests generative designs based on your constraints: weight, material, airflow, cost. You don't just get a solution, you get the best ones, ready to evaluate in 3D. This changes everything. Designers are no longer limited by trial and error. They're empowered by real-time feedback, predictive insights, and machine intelligence that learns from every iteration. AI is not replacing creativity, it's enhancing it. In the age of intelligent design, the future doesn't wait. It collaborates. Welcome to the next era, where your partner in design is artificial intelligence.